wanted to take a moment to collectively express our heartfelt gratitude for the incredible work you do. Your dedication and labor make such a difference. Please believe us when we say it doesn't go unnoticed. Every time we step into a clean and fresh space, we're reminded of your efforts. Your attention to detail and consistency set a standard that truly enhances our environment. Thank you for bringing a sense of order and cleanliness into our daily lives. Your efforts create a space where we can all feel comfortable and at ease. So from all of us to all of you, we would like to take this opportunity to say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat
ขอบ
po.
ใจหลายๆเด้อ
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you cảm ơn Thank you Thank you
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.